First furnace light for the year. Just getting it going. This thing actually heats our entire house. Heats that entire shop, all 4,800 square feet. It's pretty awesome. You do have to keep it fed. Here's our wood pile. It's quite a bit of wood. But it works great. The free part is the trees burn the energy for you. The not free part is you gotta cut it and chop it yourself. Yeah, it's never free.